The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Man, now come out of the building. Watch it. Should this is the getaway van there wait for them?
Wait. Oh, rotted.
This is the white van there wait for them.
Jesus, then can spread it now.
What the fuck?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, these are the Seriousskilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you know. Now, viewers and subscribers, there's a video that is out on social media. You see me? And this video shows of something that persons call a submarine, right? And according to what has been said about this video on social media, it gives me the understanding that persons are saying that, persons that is considered to be Chinese, they have arrived in the country of Jamaica at the Kingston harbour, right, by using a thing that they call submarine. You see me? And this thing is causing a coronavirus scare out there. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, you see me? I am going to explain something about that video that is out on social media. That's what I'm saying to you, because some things that has been said about this video is totally not true. You see me? Now, according to reports, it is said that the Marine Police, which is the Marine Police of Jamaica, you see me? They said that the thing that you saw is not a submarine, but it is a lifeboat. And that lifeboat is from a ship that is nearby the Kingston harbour of Jamaica, right? And there's persons out there on that ship. So those persons use that lifeboat to come in to Jamaica, right, by the Kingston harbour, and they went to buy things that they need, right, like food and them things. That's what them do. Then come buy things that them need, and then them go back to the lifeboat, put the things that them need in the lifeboat and so on, and then go back out to the ship. You get what I'm saying to you? And according to reports out there is that that ship said to have been out there in the waters close to Jamaica sometime from February 2020. And according to reports is that the persons that they saw in the video that came into Jamaica by the Kingston harbour and the lifeboat, it is said that those persons are not from China. You see me? It is said that there are persons from the Philippines, Sweden, Russia, and so on. You see what I'm saying to you? So viewers and subscribers, we just want to make it very clear to my viewers and subscribers out there what's going on, you see me? And I'm letting it very clear what has been said in news reports out there. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, so this is where we leave it, viewers and subscribers. I only hope that what I just told you was informative, and you can let me know what you think about what I just said. Alright, and until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Seriousskilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.